Hi guys, been a while, been doing some modelling but not really recording it, so I hope you forgive me for that. I thought I'd just do a very quick video on airbrush care. I hear a lot of people saying with certain types of airbrush that have a screw-in needle nozzle, that's the word, shearing them off. I've got a couple of airbrushes that have got these. This one's a Spar Max 0.4, so it's quite a heavy one. And I'm sorry guys to those of you who have been unlucky enough to strip one. I don't know how you manage it. I thought the best thing I could do is just show you what I do when I strip one down. So first of all, I'm just going to take the needle out. That's a bit sticky, even though I clean it out properly. Okay, so I don't damage the needle. Next job is remove the cap, or the nozzle holder, whichever you like to call it. This exposes the bit that people are shearing off. So this, stop rolling away. This little bit here screws in, so I just loosen it with my fingers and I can unscrew it. It's got a very tiny, I don't know how this is, but this is going to come out, but it's got a very tiny O-ring on the back there. I can see that it could be quite easily stripped, but there's still, in my opinion, from doing model engineering, he says dropping it a few years ago, there's still plenty of meat there. You must really be lumping that up to strip that. So I'm just going to show you how I replace these. It is fiddly, I totally agree with you. So whether this is in focus, let me move the box out of the way somewhat. You can see my bench isn't very level, so I get it started like that. So that's screwed down finger tight. You really don't need a lot more than this. Now then, when I tighten it up, I'll obviously put the spanner over the slot, and I just turn it until I feel it nip down. It's just gone there. That is just begun to firm up, and then all I do, one finger only, guys, is I get it so it's facing down. I just gently push. That's it. What did I move that? A 32nd, 64th of a turn. Okay, and then I just obviously replace the cap. And that is all you need to do. You don't need to get hold of it and go like that. You're just going to strip it. So one finger on it and very light pressure. You're not dealing with a 1/2 inch width thread. And for those of you who don't know what one of those is, go and look it up on the internet. Okay. They're very fine threads, and it's brass, so it's soft metal anyway. And again, when I replace my needle, I stick it in my finger like that. I just push it through till it goes in, and I give it a little tap, tighten that up. And this is a bit difficult to get back on because it's got an adjuster on the back. And I just obviously put it back together. That's all there is to it. I've never stripped one out. In fact, the nozzle on the needle on that one is a little bit damaged. Not by me tightening it out, I hasten to add. Anyway guys, that's it. I hope you guys may find this one a little bit useful. I'll run through on how to put those nozzles back in. I must admit I prefer ones like my Harder and Steenbeck here that have got the floating cap. They're a lot easier to deal with. That's the needle, you haven't got to screw it in, but not good practice doing it that way. But those ones, there's no problem as long as you're gentle with them. That is the crux of the matter. Gentle, one finger, remember guys. Anyway, hope you find it useful and may stop some people stripping them. Catch you later guys.